Okay, jump ball between jersey number 24 and jersey number 26. Here comes jersey number 21. Jersey number 21 Longboard's teammate, pass to.
Hindi ko makita yung number nila. Ano yun? Wala akong pag-Philippines.
Jump ball ni jersey number 10 naman. It's on everybody. Basketball para sa team na touchdown to jersey number 30, pass to jersey number 19. Jersey number 19 nilangat. Floater shot, easy 2 points. Jersey number 21 na may tahan ang bola. Jersey number 21, nakakabasa ang binigay. Jersey number 12, Peter with a shot. Basket. Pulto ang ating score. Jersey number 30. Jersey number 30. Jersey number 30. Peter with a shot. No good. Nariban ni jersey number 12. Baseball pass para jersey number 21. Jersey number 21. No good. Nariban ni jersey number 16. Pass to jersey number 30. Binigay. Jersey number 19. Andrew. No good. Nariban ni jersey number 10. Jersey number 10 may tahan ang bola. Jersey number 10 ang bangkay ng at basic yan yung jersey number 10. Here comes ito na naman ang team ng Clippers. Jersey number 30. Show the talent. Jersey number 30. Jersey number 30 binigay jersey number 10. Pass to jersey number 30. Binigay jersey number 19. 10 seconds of the shot clock. Pass to jersey number 19. Back to jersey number 19. Inangan. 1, 2, 3. Okay, ito na ngayon ang team ng Titans. Jersey number 21. Ocampo, pass to binigay card. Nasunod na ako na jersey number 12. Perimeter shot. No good na rin. Jersey number 10. Pass to nasunod din. Jersey number 30. Jersey number 30. Side 7 move. Pumunta na una rin jersey number 30. Nasunod na una. Jersey number 30. Pass to Andrew. Andrew, perimeter shot. Masyado malakas. Tari. Jersey number 16. 5 seconds on the shot clock. Jersey number 5. Good job, good. Good po tayo. Nari. Jersey number 10. Jersey number 10, Hontorio. Pass to jersey number 21. Jersey number 21, pass to jersey number 12. Jersey number 12, number sana. Easy 2 points para kay jersey number 12. Here comes, ito na naman si jersey number 30. Jersey number 30, pass to Andrew. Andrew, tumira ng 3. No good na rin pa jersey number 10. Jersey number 10, second to play. Jersey number 10. Jersey number 10, dire-diretso inangat. Masyado malakas na ako ni Andrew. Binigay kay jersey number 30. Binigay kay Andrew. Jersey number 26. Pass to jersey number 10. Perimeter shot. No good na rin. Okay, ito na si jersey number. Ito na bola, jersey number 10. Pass to Dansundot, nakuha pa rin niya. Jersey number 12. Jersey number nakakuha ng out of bounds. Bola mapupunta sa team na Titans. Even ball by jersey number 30. Jersey number 30, Benitez. Pass to jersey number 6. No good na rin ba ni jersey number 10. Pass to jersey number 12. Jersey number 21. Pass to jersey number 8. Easy, 2 points. Even by jersey number 30. Benitez sa may tangan ng bola. Shot at talent. Pass to Andrew. Andrew binigay kay jersey number 16. Taborado pass to Andrew. Iangat. Black ka. Nakakuha ni jersey number 21. Jersey number 21. Diretso. Lukay po ni Steve. Jersey number 21. Pass to jersey number 10. Jersey number 10. Nakakuha ng foul. Jersey number 16.
Ah, 16.
First personal foul, first team foul.
Kapili rin kayo dyan. Campo. Wala pa ako, hindi pa pumapasok.
Basket. Okay, ito na si jersey number 26. Nordanas, pass to Benitez. Pass to Andrew, pass to Benitez. Benitez nakakuha ng 3 seconds violation kay Malaka.
Hindi kami nagsashoot sa dito.
Now to jersey number 21. Campos. Campo. Ngayon matanggal po ng Campo, pass to jersey number 10. Nakakuha ng out of bounds. Here comes ngayon, lalabas ang bola ni pass to Benitez. Pass to Andrew. Nag-aaral pa saan si Andrew? Andrew pass to jersey number 2016. Taboarda pass to Andrew. Same ball. Last 8 seconds on the shot clock. Andrew pass to Benitez. Show the talent pass to Andrew. 5 seconds on the shot clock. Andrew inangat. No good. Nariba mali Andrew. 24 seconds. Shot clock violation. Pau, running time, Pau. Bola mapupunta sa team ng Beavers. Campo pass to jersey number 10, 24. Pass to Campo may tahan ng bola. Nag-overestimate. Ito na si jersey number 24. Easy 2 points. Unti-unti na pong lumalayo ang kalamangan ng Beavers. Benitez pass to Taboarda, 15 seconds on the shot clock. Taboarda long overestimate. Binigay kay Benitez floater shot. In the zone. Nariba ni jersey number 12. Pass to jersey number 24. Aten pala yun. Pass to jersey number 24. Basket yan. Basic shot.
Time out po sila.
Emmanuel by jersey number 26. Taboarda. Nordan. Show the talent, Nordan long overestimate. Pass to Benitez. Pass to Taboarda. No good. Nariba ni jersey number 21. Long overestimate. Pass to jersey number 10. Jersey number 10. Pass to Campo may tahan ng bola. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Campo. Binigay kay jersey number 10. Pass to jersey number 12. Umikot. Tinangat. No good. Nariba ni Andrew. Ito si Andrew nagmamadali. Andrew. Binigay kay Taboarda. Basket yan. Ito na si Campo may tahan ng bola. Easy lang daw. Lamang sila. Campo pass to jersey number 10. Jersey number 10 may tahan ng bola. Side step move. Jersey number 10. Basic pero lumabas. Now jersey number 2. Wala pa rin. Nariba ng outside. Time out! Team Titans. Silver ball para kay jersey number 10. No good. Nariba naman nilang kalaban. Jersey number 12. Pass to jersey number 10. Pyramid na shot. No good. Nariba ni Espinosa. Pass to jersey number 1. Pili kay jersey number 13. Jersey number 13. Pero nakakuha ng foul. Jersey number 22. 21. First personal foul. First team foul. Unang tira ni jersey number 13. It's a second try.
Bakit ko lang pumasa? Baikan na lang. Labong minsan sa atin.
Wala pa rin. Nariman. Campo. Ito naman si Campo. Nagmamadali. Campo. Nasunod. Nakuha jersey number 13. Pass to jersey number 1. Jersey number 1. Jersey number 1. Pass to jersey number 3. Pass to jersey number 2. Jersey number 2. Binigay jersey number 1. Kagtangka sa 3. 1, 2, 3. Para jersey number 1. Jersey number 12 pass to kasunod ni jersey number 13. Inangat. No good. Nariman ang kanilang kalaban. Ito na ang team ng Beavers. Campo. Pass to jersey number 10. Jersey number 10. Jersey number 10. Crossover move. Nabitawan ang bola na ako. Jersey number 1. Jersey number 1. Ready. Jersey number 1. Pass to jersey number 2. Easy. 2 points. Oras natin. Last 55 seconds. Ito na. Jersey number 16. Nagpamadali. Jersey number 16. Nagpamadali. Nagrasi by 2 person. Basu. Nagpamadali kay Campo. Campo ngayon. Campo, last 10 seconds. Campo, Basu, jersey number 10. Jersey number 10 na may tanga. Jersey number 10, tumira ng 3. Ayun lang.
Bontoy.
Jersey number 1, last 30 seconds. Jersey number 1. Jersey number 1. Pass to De Paz, tumira ng 3! 1, 2, 3 para kay De Paz. Deadlock na po tayo sa 15. Oras natin, last 16 seconds. Ito na si jersey number 12. Jersey number 12, nabitawan na naman. Ito na naman nakakulay dilaw. Running time po tayo, labas po agad ang bola. Running time po tayo.
Here at Span Asia Carrier, we work hard to improve our reliability and capacity, aiming to deliver your shipments on time. Span Asia 37, our geared vessel with a spacious 614 TEUs capacity at 15 knots and 30% faster than our other Span Asia vessel. And Span Asia 53, powered by twin-engine propulsion and gearless technology, doubling our standard capacity to 629 TEUs. We offer 7 shipping services. Partner with us today. Philippine Span Asia Carrier Corporation. Moving with you.
Okay. Back to the ball game. Apo, para dikit natin yan. Yan. Starting of the second quarter, laban ng Titans versus Vipers. Inbound para sa Titans jersey number 2. Pass to Pacultira. Pass to jersey number 2, the dribble wall, set a play. Looking for teammate, jersey number 3. The big man, Espinosa. But still, there's a foul. Jersey number 88, jersey number 88. First personal foul, first team foul. 2 shot para kay Mr. Espinosa. No good. Second try. No good again. Rebound by Vipers. Jersey number 18. Babilona. Jersey number 13. First personal foul. First team foul para sa team ng Titans. Inbound by Babilona. Back to Palace. Palace. Jersey number 77. Back to jersey number 88. Lays up. Humapit ang kanyang Pectus. Basket yan. Ito na si jersey ng baseball pass. Kaya lang napataas. Inbound by Buktoy. Buktoy pass to Babilona. Babilona dribble by Babilona. Harassing by jersey number Depas. Ito na si Babilona. Sera play by Babilona. Screen by Palace. Babilona atake. Pass to De Los Santos, back to Palace. Palace ang gagawa ng Titans. The big man, Espinosa. Here comes Titans. Pass to, but still by Babilona. Pass to Buktoy. Buktoy. Set up play. Pass to De Los Santos. Trying for the three. 1, 2, 3. Harakay, Mr. De Los Santos. Attacking jersey number Huawei. No good. Rebound but jersey number 5, Antipuesto. First personal foul, second team foul para sa Titans. Ito na si Buktoy. Buktoy, harassing. Pares, still by jersey number 30. Pass to the pass. Basket yan. Full trap ang ginagawa ng Titans. Ito na si Babilona. Babilona, dribble ball by Babilona. Babilona, harassing by 2 person. Here comes Pakultila using the glass. Basket yan. 1 point lead na lang po ang lamang ng Vipers. Here comes Palace. Harassing by 2 person. Here comes Buktoy. Buktoy atake sa gilid. Buktoy lays up. Kinapos. Rebound by jersey number 13. Pass to jersey number 1. Number 1 atake but Espinosa, the big man. Get the basket. Ay kasama pang foul para kay Mr. Espinosa. Substitution. Who's for rep? Palace. Palace committed. Bonus shot para kay Mr. Espinosa. Lamang na ng 1 point lead ang Titans. Eto na naman si Espinosa. Wala. Eto si jersey number 88 nagmamadali. Here comes Busi. Still by jersey number 2. Jersey number 2 nagmamadali. Nakakuha ni jersey number Huabib. Eto na. Ang ganda ng pasa sa kakampihan si jersey number 13. Lamang na 3-point lead. Babilona. Back to Buktoy. Buktoy, set up a showtime. Buktoy. Crossover by 2 person. Buktoy still by jersey number 5. Here comes Espinosa. Lays up. Easy 2 point. De Los Santos. De Los Santos nagdadala ng bola. Still but Buktoy is there. Pass to Agawan. Espinosa. Back to Ubahib. Back to jersey number 2. Alley play para kay Ubahib. No good. Here comes Buktoy. Buktoy nagdadala ng bola. Buktoy lays up left-handed and no good. Follow up by jersey number 88 but still foul. Who's foul rep? Jersey number 13. Jersey number 13, second personal foul. Second team foul. Substitution. Timeout. Sabi ni Palace, timeout eh. Mali ng substitution lang pala. Two shot. Ito na ang last shot kay Sinangote and no good. Here comes jersey number 19. Number 19 nagmamadali. The flash number 19 floater shot. Bad trip. Here comes Mangunet. Mangunet. The dribble by 88. Halo play para kay Alonso. Alonso. Easy 2 point para kay Mr. Alonso. 3-point lead ang kalamangan ng Titans. Here comes Antipuesto. Antipuesto. Crossover Antipuesto. Back to the pass. Back to Hubahib. Hubahib. Arasi by 2 person. By the back. Pero eto na. Nagmamadali na ang Vipers. Here comes Resare. Is still by Hubahib. Here comes jersey number 5. Pass to Hubahib. Behind the pass para kay jersey number 19. Kinapos. Rebound ulit. Eto na si sidestepping jersey number 5. Antipuesto. 2 points yan. Pabilo na harassing by the pass. Eto na si Alonso. Alonso trying in the given lace up. Kinapos. Ubahi. Pass to Andre. Andre the dribble ball. Pass to the pass. Using the glass. No good. Here comes jersey number 88. Nagmamadila. 3-and-3 situation. Eto na floater shot. No good. Jersey number 88 again. But there's foul by jersey number 5. Second personal foul. Warning to penalty.
Tama kami ba sa baga?
Pag-shoot ng dalawa.
Pag-shoot na lang siya.
2 shot. Basket yan para kay. Tatamin yung pag-shoot. Apo. Tatamin yung pag-shoot. Sinanghote. Wala. Ribay Hubabib. Hubabib. Pass to jersey number 50. Andre. Eto na si Alonso. Alonso nagdadala ng bola. Alonso. The dribble ball. Set up play by Alonso. Pass to Rizari. Nadulas. Alonso again. Eto na si Alonso. Wala. Here comes jersey number 25. Pass to Antipuesto. Pass to Ubay. Pass to the pass. Basket iyan.
Wala na, cancel. Time out, cancel.
Rizari. Rizari, the dribble ball by Rizari. Pass to Alonso. Alonso, nagdadala, fade away shot. Bad trip. Here comes Alonso na naman. Pass to Rizari. Rizari. Wala, isa pa ulit. Basket na yan. Ito na si Andre. Andre sumalaksak, pero may foul. Jersey number 2. Timeout. Team Vipers. Jersey number 2 committed. Sa ball game. 2 free throw para kay Mr. Andre. Naka-Jordan dayo si Boss Andre. No good. Jordan 23. Last shot. Basket na yan para kay Andre. Here comes Alonso. Back to jersey number 31. Harassing by jersey number 30. Pass to Alonso. Alonso. Nagtatangka. Alonso. Back to Buktoy. Last 12 to shoot. Buktoy. Dribble ball by Buktoy. Set up play. Didiskarte. Buktoy. Pass to Rizari. Floater shot. Kinapos. Here comes Andre. Waiting for teammate. Andre dribble ball. Pass to Hubabib. Hubabib. Get the basket. May kasama pang foul. Jersey number 12. First personal foul. Warning to penalty. Ball shot para kay Mr. Ubahib. Oras natin ay 3 minutes and 10 seconds in the second quarter. No good. Pero isa pa ulit daw. Wala pa rin. Tapi gambat. Foul. Jersey number 25. Pushing foul. First personal foul. Penalty. Penalty. Last shot. Basket yan para kay Pabelona. Baseball pass, but still by jersey number 221. Jersey number 221 sumalaksak, but Pabelona floater, no good. Rebound by Hubahib. Pass to Apesto, pass to Andre using the glass. Basket yan para kay Mr. Andre. Buktoy, Sera play para kay Mr. Buktoy. Block by Hubahib. Pass to Andre. Andre para stepping on the line. Buktoy, pass to Alonso, but traveling violation. Benitez pass to Andre for the 3. No good. Buktoy, the dribble ball. Harasi by jersey number 5, Antipuesto. Eto na, umatakin na si no good. Rebound na, but foul. Penalty. Substitution. Substitution.
Tabingi! Tabingi yung kamay!
Pag-shoot ka sa ba?
Wala. Rebound by Pabelona. Pabelona pass to Rizari. Arasi by Hubabib. Still by Hubabib. Get the basket. May kasama pang foul by Uspo Red jersey number 24, Rizari. First personal foul. Bonus shot. Substitution.
Go!
Ibang by Alonso. Alonso, pass to Buktoy. The dribble ball, arasin by Antipuesto. Antipuesto. Antipuesto, arasin by Buktoy. The dribble ball, set up play. Back to jersey number 21. Pass to Buktoy. Stop and pump. Bang! By Buktoy. 9-point lead pa ang inahabol ng Vipers. Here comes Benitez. Benitez, pass to Antipuesto. Antipuesto, the dribble ball, pass to Benitez. Benitez, back to Antipuesto, floated back. Block by Rizari, pero ay Out of bounds. Buktoy, dribble the ball. Buktoy. So Cabrera, but still good hustle, good defense para kay Mr. Cabrera. Last 15 seconds. Benitez the dribble ball, set a play, back to jersey number 6, back to Benitez, back to jersey number 6, no good, rebound na, tapik ni Buktoy, baseball pass para kay Mr. Campo. Ubus na ang oras para sa second quarter. Stay tuned tayo para sa third quarter, magbabalik tayo.
Here at Span Asia Carrier, we work hard to improve our reliability and capacity, aiming to deliver your shipments on time. Span Asia 37, our geared vessel with a spacious 614 TEUs capacity at 15 knots and 30% faster than our other Span Asia vessel. And Span Asia 53, powered by twin-engine propulsion and gearless technology, doubling our standard capacity to 629 TEUs. We offer 7 shipping services. Partner with us today. Philippine Span Asia Carrier Corporation. Moving with you.
Starting on the third quarter. Vipers ball. Shoutout sa mga nanonood dyan sa live. Magandang gabi. Eto na. Si jersey number 21. Pass to Buktoy. Buktoy, the dribble ball. Set up plays. Pass to Rizari. Rizari back to Buktoy. But nadulas. Eto na si Espinosa. Espinosa back to Andre using the glass. Basket yan. Para kay Miss Ray Andre.
Tatlo.
Pabelona, the dribble ball by Pabelona. Crossover, Pabelona attacking back. Still Alonso. Basic ang 2-point ni Mr. Alonso. Baseball pass. Is there by Alonso. Alonso back to Buktoy. Buktoy, dribble the ball. Attacking. Floater. Back. 7-point lead na lang po ang inaabol ng Vipers. Eto na si De Paz. Back to jersey number 285. Pass to Espinosa, the big man. Espinosa, floater using the glass. Basket. Buktoy, pass to Campo. Back to Rizari. Blocked by Espinosa. Same ball. Last 9 to shoot. Under communication. Patira na, naipasa pa. Eto na si Campo. Baktol Babilona. Back to Buktoy. Buktoy asi by 3 person. Here comes Babilona. Babilona, set up play. Babilona back to Campo. Campo attacking but still. Here comes the pass. The pass back to Andre. Back to jersey number 13. Basket yan. 11-point lead na. Lumulobo ang kalamangan ng team ng Titans. Eto na si Buktoy. Buktoy, pass to Babilona. Back to Rizari. But still by Empona. Eto na si jersey number 13. Back to the pass. It's showtime para kay De Paz. But still, eto na si Babilona. Babilona. Umatake using the glass. Niluwa. Eto si De Paz pa rin again. Again and again, De Paz. Crossover, show that talent. But there's a foul by jersey number 281. Third personal foul. First team foul para sa team ng Vipers. 2 shots para kay De Paz. No good. Second try. No good again. Rebound by jersey number 25. No good again. Here comes Rizari. Rizari under the basket. Rizari. No good attacking but Espinosa, the big man of the Titans. Rebound. Eto na, dahan-dahan binababa ni jersey number 13. Jersey number 13. Set up play by jersey number 13. Pass. De Paz, back to Andre, back to 23. Ang ganda ng pasa ni jersey number 19 para kay 25 but there's not accounted. Sumablay. Eto na si Buktoy, perimeter shot, no good. Buktoy again, perimeter shot. Wala pa rin. Tapigan. Nakuha ni jersey number 25. Jersey number 285. Behind the pass, pero nandun na ang kalaban.
Pag-check nga po sa Vipers, kasi alam ko natin yung
Jersey number 2. Time out! Titans. Ano, boss?
Here at Span Asia Carrier, we work hard to improve our reliability and capacity, aiming to deliver your shipments on time. Span Asia 37, our geared vessel with a spacious 614 TEUs capacity at 15 knots and 30% faster than our other Span Asia vessels. And Span Asia 53, powered by twin-engine propulsion and gearless technology, doubling our standard capacity to 629 TEUs. We offer 7 shipping services. Partner with us today. Philippine Span Asia Carrier Corporation. Moving with you.
Pangabulin ng team ng Vipers laban kay team ng Titans. Ito na ang inbound para sa Titans. Jersey number 30. Jersey number 30. Pass to Benitez. Benitez nagmamadali. Parang may pupuntahan. Benitez, the dribble ball, pass to sino siya? Jersey number 26. Back to Benitez. Alley play but still by Buktoy. Buktoy, crossover Buktoy na zigzagging. Buktoy, zigzagging again. Pass to 88. 88, back to Rizari. Rizari nadulas ang bola. Arrow bounce. Titans ball. Eto na si Benitez nagdadala. Dalan-dala ang bola. Benitez, back to Tabuada. Dribble ball, Serra play, back to Benitez. Pass to Pacotilla. Palcotilla, no good. Eto na si Buktoy, dribble ball, zigzagging. Buktoy attacking. Basket yan. Benitez, dribble ball. Back to jersey number 26. Tapos, Agawana, kuha 13. 19, Depa. Ubahib. Basket using the glass. Right-handed. Buktoy. Easy lang daw. Mukhang pinapapagod, nape-pressure. Eto na si Sinang Gote. Sinang Gote. Back to jersey number 2. No good. Rebound by Tabuada. Pass to Bobby. Here comes jersey number 13. Nasa baba na karad. Using the glass. Time out. Ang Vipers. 11 puntos. 11-point lead. Na naman.
Here at Span Asia Carrier, we work hard to improve our reliability and capacity, aiming to deliver your shipments on time. Span Asia 37, our geared vessel with a spacious 614 TEUs capacity at 15 knots and 30% faster than our other Span Asia vessel. And Span Asia 53, powered by twin-engine propulsion and gearless technology, doubling our standard capacity to 629 TEUs. We offer 7 shipping services. Partner with us today. Philippine Span Asia Carrier Corporation. Moving with you.
33 seconds. In the third quarter. Buktoy. Pass to jersey number 21. Jersey number 21 back to jersey number 10. Jersey number 10. Critical shot. Number ito na si Ubagi. Ubagi. Inasa sa kampen. Wala. Out of bounds. Tan. 21, pass to Pabelona. Atake is harassing by jersey number 16, harassing by 2 person. Na pressure, pass to Alonso, back to Campo, 4 to shoot. Campo, pass to Pabelona. Out of bounds. Ubahib, dribble ball, pass to jersey number 30, pass to Ubahib, back to Benitez, back to Tabloda, for the 3, no good, rebound by Buktoy nagmamadali, Buktoy still by Ubahib, ang bilis ni Ubahib sa likod ni Buktoy. Alonso, pass to Rizari, no good, rebound on, Tapiga, but stepping on the line. Bola ng Vipers. Rizari back to Campo using the glass, tumobra, Buktoy nandiyan, wala pa rin, Malaka pass to Benitez, pass to Ubahib, crossover, Ubahib side 7, but third foul by Alonso committed second personal foul, second team foul. Two shot. No good. Second try. Basket na yan para kay Mr. Rubaib, jersey number 1, Pabelon. Back to Campo. Campo, dribble by Campo. Sera play. Tinuturo kay Pabelon ang gagawin. Ito na. Misunderstanding, mixed communication para kay Alonso at Pabelona. Here comes Benitez. Benitez, the dribble by Benitez. Crossover, Benitez attacking. Basket, pinilit, wala. Ito na si Campo. Campo, harasin by Benitez. Campo, iniisi lang ang bola. Campo, lamang sila. Iniisi lang niya. Ito na, pass to Pabelona. Pabelona attacking floater. Basket yan. Benitez, dribble ball. Pass to Tabuada. Tabuada, pass to Baib. Back to for the 3. Malaka. 3-point. Campo. Dala-dala ang bola. Pass to Boktoy for the 3. No good. Here comes Subaib, the KD Durant. Eto na. About out of bounds. Vipers ball. Pabelona. Pabelona, dribble by Pabelona. Pabelona, crossover. Back to Alonso. Alonso attacking sa ilalim. Sumover lang. Jesse Malaka, pass to Hubahi. Hubahi, dribble the ball. Pass to Tabuada. Tabuada, no good. Rebound by Alonso. Ito na si Campo. Campo nagmamadali. Campo, sa kanya na yan. Ay, there's a foul. Jersey number 16. Second personal foul. First team foul. Ito na si Pabelona, no good. Rebound may Malaka, pass to Ubay. Ubay. Ubay, dire-diretso. Stop and pump for the 3. Lumulobo na ang kalamangan. Lubong-lubo na. Eto na, Alonso. Back to by baseball pass by Benitez. Benitez, side 7, but floater shot, no good. Here comes Campo. Campo, harasin by Benitez. Campo, nagmamadali. Sakay na naman. Campo.
May 5 seconds pa. Banggitin mo para.
Oh, nakalimutan ko kanina sa si Campo kasi dire-diretso. Campo dire-diretso. Back to the ball game. This is the final quarter. Laban ng Titans versus Vipers. Lamang ng 16-point lead ang team ng Titans. Mahahabol pa kaya na ito ng Vipers o tuluyan ng lolobo at papaluboy ng Titans ang kanilang kaalamangan. Eto na, mag-i-start na tayo. Back na. Antepuesto, no good. Rebound by Jersey. Sinanggote. Back to Boktoy. Eto na si Boktoy. Aatake. But there's foul by Andre. Jersey number 19, first personal foul. First team foul. 2 shot para kay Mr. Buktoy. Basket yan para kay Mr. Buktoy. Second try. Wala, rebound by Caperas. Baseball pass. Here comes Campo. Pass to Pabalina. Pabalona. Basket yan para kay Pabalona. Ito na si Antipuesto. Antipuesto, serve play by Antipuesto. Back to Malaka. Malaka try for 3 again. Now here comes Buktoy. Buktoy, arasi by Antipuesto. Buktoy, atake. Behind the back. Behind the back. But there's a foul. Substitution. Jersey number 5. Antipuesto. Ilan na po si Antipuesto? Antipuesto. Third personal foul. Second team foul. Para sa team ng Titans. Basket ang unang try ni Buktoy. Last try kaya. Papasok. Basket na yan. 11-point lead na lang po ang habulin. Nasa 2 digits pa rin. Eto na si Andre. Back to Malaka. Malaka tumira naman ng 3! 1, 2, 3. Para kay Mr. Malaka. The Golden Hand. Eto na si Buktoy. Susubok. Didiskarte Buktoy. No good. Rebound ni Cabrera. Cabrera back to Andre. Andre nagdadala ng bola. Arasi Bayalo 2 person. Andre nagmamadali. Pero may foul. Campo. Warning to graduate para kay Mr. Campo. Antipuesto. Pass to Andre. Andre dribble ball back to Malaka. Nag-trip, bad trip na. Eto na si Cabrera. Back to Antipuesto. Antipuesto. But there is a foul by jersey number 88. Sinanghote. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Pase para kay Antipuesto. No good again. Ribanon. Agawan. Agawan ang buo. But Vipers ball. Alonso. Back to Campo. Campo. Dribble by Campo. Back to Sinanghote. Sinanghote pass to Alonso. Perimeter shot, no good. Rebound by Cabrera. Still by Sinanghote. Back to Antipuesto. Still, ito na lang mamatay. 3-2 situation. Antipuesto. 2 points. Using the glass. Basket yan. 17-point lead na po ang habulin. Vipers, no good. Eto na si Alonso, no good again. Cabrera, Cabrera, Cabrera again. Andre, pass to Cabrera, no good. Rebound by Buktoy. Buktoy nagdadala ng bola. Buktoy, zigzagging Buktoy, pass to Alonso. Alonso trying for the two, no good. Buktoy again, rebound. Buktoy, serve play na. Eto na si Campo. Campo, try for the 3, no again. Malas ang Vipers ngayon. Here comes Andre. Andre, dribble ball. Andre, sumusubok sa 3. No good. Rebound by Campo. Baseball pass para kay Buktoy. Lace up. Easy to boy. Antipuesto, dribble the ball by Antipuesto. Andre back to Antipuesto. Antipuesto. Umuupo pa sa ilalim, nagkakape. Eto na si Campo. Campo, hali play by Buktoy. No good. Eto Sinanghote. Basket. Time out. Titans.
Here at Span Asia Carrier, we work hard to improve our reliability and capacity, aiming to deliver your shipments on time. Span Asia 37, our geared vessel with a spacious 614 TEUs capacity at 15 knots and 30% faster than our other Span Asia vessel. And Span Asia 53, powered by twin-engine propulsion and gearless technology, doubling our standard capacity to 629 TEUs. We offer 7 shipping services. Partner with us today. Philippine Span Asia Carrier Corporation. Moving with you.
In the fourth quarter and the final quarter, 13.3 na lang po ang hahabulin ng Vipers. At napabiglang timeout ang Titans. Eto na si Depas. Depas, floater. Basket yan. Hinagis na lang. Pumasok pa. Eto na si Campo. Campo. Dribble ball by Campo. Dribble ball. Set up play by Campo. Eto na si Pabelona. Trying for the 3. No good. Rebound by Alonso. No good again. Eto na si Ubalo. Ubahibe. Pass to the pass. Get the basket na. May bonus pa. Alonso. Third personal foul. Second team foul. Bonus shot para kay Depas. No good. Rebound by Pabelona. Pabelona. Pass to Alonso. Alonso. Pass to Campo. Campo. The dribble ball by Campo. Campo. Nagdadala ng bola. Campo. Pass to Buktoy. Buktoy. Crossover. Show the talent. Pass to Campo. Campo. Pass to Alonso. Ang ganda sana ng pasa. Kaso nakatapak ng guhit. Ito na si Titans. Ubahin. Pero may out of bounds. But there's a foul. Jersey number 26. First personal foul. 13 foul. Northern. Basket. Depas. Pero ng palakas. Eto na. Si Pabelona. Pabelona. Pass to Campo. Campo. Attacking back to. Still by Ubahid. Eto na si Ubahid. Ubahid. Pass to the pass. Back to jersey number 13. Magandang chemistry ng team ng Titans. Buktoy. Buktoy, fade away shot. No good. Rebound na. Tapikan. Eto na. Si Mr. Antipueso. Ubahid. Pass to Antipueso again. Basket yan. Pag may na yung pasa, sa kabila yun. Kaya huwag kayong i-stop. Eto na si Buktoy. Buktoy attacking. But there is a foul by jersey number 13. Third personal foul. Warning to penalty. 2 shot para kay Buktoy. Basket. Second try. Basket again. Here it comes. Depas. the pass, but there's a foul. Jersey number, substitution. 18, jersey number 18, first personal foul, warning to penalty. Both team, warning to penalty situation. The pass to jersey number 23. The pass sa atake pero na kay Nordan. Air ball. Over by Pabelona. Steal by Nordan. Tabulada. Ito na si Nordan. Pass to. Oy! Di naman sadya, rep. Ganda sana, nakalusot. Eto na, si Buktoy trying for the three. No good. Substitution.
Mark, 1 point na lang. Best player. Ano? Para maiba naman, tuloy kayo ng focus eh. Oo. Isa na nga lang kailangan, 1 point na lang. 1 ano, 2 points.
Malaka. Back to Tabuyada. The rebel ball. Still. Here comes Pabelona. Trying for floater shot. Basket. Last 2 minutes. Benitez. No look pass para kay Campos. Back to Pabelona. Binali-balik at the basket yan. May kasama pang foul. Substitution. Jersey number 13. Warning to graduate. 2 shot para kay Pabelona. Bonus shot para kay Pabelona. No good. Rebound by Sinangone. Using the glass. No good again. But there's a foul. Penalty. Jersey number 88.
Sige na, gago. Lagay na. Boss, malagay sa loan boss, ah.
Kita mo kasama sa bahay. Sige, kita mo.
Basket.
Simula 1 year old ka.
Second try. Ang oras 1 minute and 34. Here comes Pabelona. The river ball. Pabelona atake. Pabelona floater shot and no good. Here comes Sinangote but same ball. Ang oras na rin. Atid sa inyo na ang tiki-tiki pampalaki. Arrow bounce. Malaka. Pass to Benitez. Back to Tabuyada. Pass to the pass. Wala pa rin. Ito na si Alonso. Baseball pass pala kay Pabelona. No good. Rebound by the pass. Akin na to. The pass to Nordan. Basket para jersey number 88. Benitez. Baseball pass para kay Depas.
Siya pa rin. Pilit namin. Boss, pilit natin siya pa rin.
Sa stats mo sa basic. Umasis pa eh. Nagabol sa assist.
Campo. Resari na 18 to shoot. Pass to Alonso. Basket yan. Two shot para kay De Paz. The last shot.
Dalawa.
Basket.
Wala, sa kabila yun. Sa kabila yun.
Ay, foul ka rin.
Wala ito.
At dyan nagtatapos ang laban ng Titans versus Vipers. And of the final quarter, 58-72, we have a winner, the Titans.